Welcome to this video presentation of the cricket bowling machine with an arm and hand developed at the University of Trinidad and Tobago Design and Manufacturing Systems Unit. The rationale behind this project stems from the fact that the batsmen find it difficult to follow the ball as it is hidden for a fraction of a second as the ball is shot out of the traditional bowling machine. Hence, the batsmen change their stance and setup to accommodate these machines. Since looking at the ball as it leaves the bowler's hand is the main visual cue for the batsman to determine line, length, and bounce of the ball, a team of researchers from the University of Trinidad and Tobago developed a bowling machine with an arm and hand to deliver the ball, which would solve the problem outlined for the batsman. The machine was designed and built by Dr. Kelvin Lawton Jr. It has a spring actuation system that rotates the arm and delivers the ball. The testing and analysis of the bowling machine was done by Mr. Ronnie Bikramdas. The project supervisor is Professor Prakash Prasad. Now, we take a look at some clips of the bowling machine as it is being operated. There we see a slow motion of the bowling machine. Here we see the bowling machine bowling full deliveries at the stumps at 80 miles per hour. Again, another full length delivery at 80 miles per hour and a side view. Now we look at some video clips of the testing of the machine using the pitch vision equipment. A front view of the machine, and there we see a side view of the ball hitting the sensor mat of the pitch vision equipment. Now we take a look at some clips of the bowling machine coming up against some batsmen. Let's see how the batsmen will fare. Firstly, we look at some full-length deliveries to the batsmen. Some of the batsmen handled the deliveries well, while some of them had some problems. Again, full-length deliveries from the machine. Now we look at some good length deliveries as this ball is delivered beating the outside edge of the bat. A wonderful delivery. Again, the good length deliveries giving the batsman lots of problems. The bounce and pace of the machine is really good. batsman having problems with the good length deliveries. Now, we look at some short deliveries from the bowling machine. Again, it's the bounce and pace of the machine is giving the batsman lots of problems. And that brings an end to this video clip of this bowling machine.